Okay, this unit is done. There is the big bore kit installed. Had a little bit of jetting issues. I ended up stepping it down to a 170. Previously, I was running a 182, I guess. So, I don't know. She was breaking up on the top end, so I got that straightened out. Put those Nerf bars on there. Never been rode on. Well, there she sits. All right, now she fires. Let's see if she'll start. She runs real good. So now today's Thursday. We're gonna load up on Saturday and head to West Virginia and see what she'll do. So all right, thanks for watching.